The TikTok creativity program is literally breaking the internet, right? People are making over $10,000 in their first month, and it's probably the best way to make some money online right now. Isn't that insane? But before we get into that, a quick disclaimer. The program is only available in the big countries like the US, UK, and France, which means you can't join it unless you live in these countries. However, your friend here has found a workaround, and I actually can't believe I'm showing this for free. All I ask in return is please like, share, and comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel as it motivates me to create such videos. So where was I? Oh yes, I found a way to bypass the location requirements. I have found this new website that lets you create legitimate TikTok accounts by showing your location in the US, so that you too can start earning some money online. And as I said, I'm going to show you everything you will ever need to know about how to make that dough through TikTok. For credibility's sake, I've started 3 new TikTok accounts this month alone. Now let's get to the video. Here is the first chapter of our journey, setting up your US TikTok account. Because again, without a US TikTok account, this is all a waste of time. That's right, your account will not be able to join the creativity program and make money. So this is the most important step. What you want to do is head over to the website I have linked in the top of the description. It will take you to a page that looks something like this. Keep in mind, this is pretty much the only way to get US TikTok accounts right now. But if you find another way, do let us know in the comment section below. So just go ahead and get yourself an account. And this is super important. Make sure you follow all of the instructions on how to use the account. Otherwise, the algorithm will know you're outside the US and stop pushing your account. I also got you a 25% discount if you follow the link in the description and use my code 𝐤𝐸𝐬. So if you want to save some money, at least use that. Anyways, I'm going to show you some proof that the account works. Now, if I go into the settings, you can see it says Creativity Program. That wouldn't actually show up if you aren't based in any of the allowed locations. Now, all that's left to do is create and upload a profile picture and customize your account to whatever it's about. In the next chapter, we'll show you some niches that are going absolutely viral right now. So if you haven't decided your niche yet, make sure to continue watching. A little quick tip, use either Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create your profile picture. It literally takes less than a minute and the results are so good. Well, congratulations on creating your first TikTok account. You did a fantastic job. Now let's move on to the next chapter, selecting your niche. Here are 6 of the best niches that are earning people over $15,000 each month, with videos getting like millions of views. Now, you need to listen really carefully, because TikTok's creativity program doesn't accept everyone. Many creators won't tell you about this. You will not get monetized if you're re-uploading podcast clips or clips of streamers. TikTok has announced they only accept original content. Now what that actually means is a little bit unsure, but podcast clips will not get you far, and if they do, they will without a doubt get demonetized later on. Okay, now let me show you the perfect niche formula. Well, the perfect niche consists of 3 secret ingredients. Number 1, your videos should be appealing to a broad yet specific audience. Also, focus on uploading videos that will attract the audience from US or other first world countries. This will increase your RPM. RPM means the amount of dollars you make per 1,000 views. Tip number 2, select a niche in which the videos are easy to produce yet have a high perceived value. If you manage this ingredient perfectly, you'll be able to quickly scale your operation since your videos easily can be automated by AI. For the last tip, don't reinvent the wheel, meaning stick with proven concepts, what is already working for people. This will save you a lot of time. I would recommend picking a niche that has some accounts absolutely blowing up, but not so many that there are basically an unlimited amount of accounts posting the same content. For example, Reddit stories. There are a few huge accounts absolutely killing the TikTok game, and they're getting massive amounts of views. So let's go with that niche for this example. Remember, picking the right niche is the most important part. That actually takes a lot of time, so don't try to rush it. Now that we have found our niche, let's start creating eye-catching videos that will hook your audience instantly. Okay, let me show you how to actually leverage AI to create high-quality Reddit story videos, and most importantly, how to do it fast. Let's head on over to ChatGPT and paste the prompt I put in the description. As you can see, it basically tells ChatGPT to write a creepypasta story from the right point of view. Just some basic stuff. Now it's time to create the voiceover. The best in the game right now for voiceover is 11 Labs. Hands down, the voice quality is so good that it gets hard to differentiate between AI-generated voice and real voice. If you want to, though, you can use any free voiceover software of your choosing. Once you're on the 11 Labs website, click on the voice library and listen to some samples to find a voice that you like. I'm going to go with this one called Ryan Kirk, since it sounds very realistic. Then just paste your script, download the voiceover, and then you're done. Now it's time to find the video we'll be showing. I would go with either some Minecraft parkour or GTA 5 gameplay, as that is proven to generate hundreds of millions of views. So just go over to YouTube, search for something like 4K Minecraft parkour gameplay, and choose a clip that looks good. Make sure to pay attention to the quality of the video. It has to be very high quality and look appealing. This is actually really important. Then, go to any website that'll let you download YouTube videos by just pasting the link. I prefer using 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐿.com. Since we're already downloading stuff, let's actually find some scary background music that we can use. Just repeat the same process and find some scary music on YouTube. It's a pretty straightforward process. Now that we got all the content for the video, we're going to use the best online video editing software, CapCut. It's of course entirely free, so let's head over to their website. Now let's just press on New Video, then choose the TikTok video format. What you want to do next is click on the plus icon here and upload all your content, including the Minecraft gameplay, the voiceover, and the music. Then, what you want to do is press on Captions to the left and press Auto Captions. This way, you will get accurate captions automated by AI, so you don't have to do anything yourself. I would recommend you change the style of the captions so they're a little more scary, or maybe a playful style depending on the topic of your video. Also, while creating these videos, always make sure to adjust the volume of the music so that it's easy on the ears and remove any background noise from the parkour video. And that's it, we are done. You are viral. Haha, gotcha! I was just checking if you are paying attention or not. We are still missing the one true secret sauce, the Reddit comment. Since this video isn't based off of a true Reddit post, I've gone ahead and found a great template that you can use. I will link it in the description as well. Now, just click on Upload to the top left and upload the template I've prepared for you. Then drag the picture over to your timeline and just drop it above the actual parkour video, so it creates an overlay. Then go ahead and write a great hook for your video that will catch your audience's attention. I would just ask ChatGPT to create some hooks for me based on the script. Now double check that the text and the Reddit comment box disappears at the same time. Otherwise, you'll end up with some basic run-out-the-mill Slack job of a video. Now, we are approaching the final step, which is step number 4, optimizing your videos. There are actually some things you shouldn't do that will ruin the entire algorithm and prevent you from ever going viral. And if you ruin the algorithm on one account, that's it, the account is dead in the water. We don't want that now, do we? So I created 3 best tips that you can implement to boost your account and get hundreds if not millions of views regularly. Quick note, the third one will probably get patched soon, so use it while you still can. Tip number 1, the upload schedule. As AI tools are getting better, so are the social media algorithms at catching the AI-generated content. We can dish out tens of videos in a matter of minutes, but we do not want to post them all at the same time. What we want to do is create a schedule and post them at regular intervals, preferably keep at least an hour gap between 2 videos, and post maximum of 4 videos per day. Tip number 2, always leave your audience wanting for more, or better yet, leave an unanswered question. Like, do you agree with this? Has it ever happened with you? Or share your experience with us. This will boost the engagement on your posts like crazy. Now, the last tip is a little crazy. We will manipulate TikTok's algorithm to push your content using TikTok's own creator feature by creating a series, which means you will promote a course in every video. See, all the social media platforms like to make money with and off their creators. TikTok is no different. What they want is some profit share off your profits, so they have a clear incentive in pushing your videos. Again, this is not confirmed, but I have heard from numerous big and reliable automated TikTok creators that TikTok prefers the series, and it will push that content. Now, before I end this video, I want you to at least give it a shot at this new method of making money online, and please let me know in the comments if it worked out for you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.